Yep. Oh, I gotta adjust the recluse a little bit. It's lugging a little bit. I gotta pull it back a little bit. Pretty good. I'm feeling it. I had to get some gas and then go to the hardware store and get a Dremel to cut this piece here off. This light's probably not going to change for me, is it? There it is. The only noise that I have is this thing right here is making a little bit of noise, but that's it. Distance, let's see here, how do we do this? Oh, there we go, odometer is 6.4. Alright, so we got our rear tank and our front tank. So I guess we'll do the front tank first. Aww, we've ruined our plastics already. Look at that. Alright, that's why I finish the bikes before I start riding them, because all of my dirt bikes get dirty. It's like just putting gas in it, you know? Gas, dirt, mud. So I'm kind of bummed that I already got gas everywhere. It got everywhere. It already rubbed off my my sticker here. You guys that are watching the video probably have noticed that my ABS light's flashing. And the reason for that is that I have the dongle plugged in, which disables the ABS to the rear wheel. And So it's just letting me know that, hey buddy, you've only got partial ABS. I mean, this is cable management. I mean, just shit like this. Get that to stop shaking. Other than that, it's fine. Well, this thing has TKC 80s, which can outrun the bike. These things are glorious. I have no worries at all about grip. What a fun bike this thing is. How's it going?
Good, Joe?
Having fun?
Oh yeah, it's a good day for it.
Yeah, sure is. Oh, also I'm missing this piece right here because of the stabilizer. It doesn't work.
Joe. Too much. Paul wore that shirt last night. It was a big thing. Adam!
Can't do it.